Welcome to the Windows Insider channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, March the 5th, 2018, and today in our Tech News Update, we have Kaspersky Labs. It says that actually cryptocurrency mining is getting more and more attention. And of course, these bad guys, well, or guys that are using our computers without us really knowing about it, are making millions of dollars, basically. Now, it seems that the personal computers are hit hard, through ads that have problems, but not just the personal computers. Even business computers are hit, and it is a major issue. And there's also a news item today about how Iceland is going a little crazy over the power consumption increase due to the fact that the computers are running at full potential, and that actually means they're also using more electricity. Samsung, if you are using one of the Galaxy A3, J1 or J3 phones, well, just gotta say that they are not going to have any more security updates, which is kind of a sad thing because they're not that old. They're 2016 phones. Yes, they are the low-end phones, but still, it's kind of not a very long lifespan. So A3, J1, and J3, if you have any one of these, well, you probably will not have any security updates anymore. Some security researchers are actually a little scared of the fact that aliens could be sending some malware through space to destroy our, basically to destroy civilization as we know it. A series of researchers have been saying that they believe that this would be a possibility that we might have to think about. Upcoming iOS 11.3 operating system for Apple iPhones and iPads has a new feature that now people, I think, will be happy to see. So there will be a new, of course, health feature where the battery health will be shown, but there will be a control for the CPU performance. And so if it underclocks because your battery's starting to get a little older, you'll be able to ramp it up and bring it to full availability if you want. Well, this is the good old Windows Media Player, and Microsoft is maybe a little tired that people are still using it. And I see comments from time to time of people saying, well, I like it. And that's fine, but Microsoft has been saying that you should move on if you're on Windows 10 to the Movies and TV app. It has better compatibility with the newer media, and also it will kind of drain your battery at a slower speed because it is better in battery performance. YouTube is now rolling a new feature in its Stories feature. Basically, they are adding some AR that will kind of enable you to imitate as if you were having a green screen at home to do your videos, and add some backgrounds to the stories that you will have. So this is kind of interesting, and as this gets more and more powerful, it might actually roll out to and enable people to do so many things with just the minimum amount of technology. Instagram, one of the most popular apps among the younger generation that basically often don't like sharing over Facebook or Facebook Messenger, is about to roll out a new update that will add voice and video calling features. So this is going to be interesting to see if it adds more popularity to this already quite popular app. Well, do you shop online on your mobile device? There's a new statistic that is very interesting. So it says that consumers spend more money online on their smartphones, but spend less time shopping. And this is according to the study that showed that from 2015 to 2017, 27% increase in spending, but less time spent. And they say that it has part of it has to do with the fact that the smartphones are faster, but also that the internet speeds make it faster for everything that we need to do. And finally, last Friday, Windows 10 Insider Build 17.1.1.2 was released to the fast ring, and of course no new features, but it is very interesting to see that the increased pace of new builds is showing that 1803, the version of Windows 10 that's supposed to be out soon, is, you know, getting ready to be released in the next few weeks. And this was a tech news update for Monday, March the 5th, 2018. And yes, this is still in French. And I forgot to change it. So I hope you enjoy our videos. I will try to post a few videos today. I'm a little busy, but I will try to post a few more videos today. Thank you for watching.